Ladies and gentlemen, my name...
Paul, everybody knows who your name is. I already introduced Brock. Let's just get this started, okay? Everybody wants to get the contract signed. Let's make it official. Dean, you're first. Roman? Thank you, gentlemen. My business here is done.
Little brother, maybe you ought to ask Big Brother Samoan Badass the difference between a beatdown by the authority and an authoritative beatdown at the hands of Brock Lesnar!
Tension mounting. Someone could be going to Suplex City tonight. Uh-oh. Oh, boy! Ambrose went right after Lesnar. And Lesnar shoving Ambrose into Reigns. Oh, right into Roman Reigns. Oh. And Brock with an F5 to Dean Ambrose. The Beast has struck. Oh, Dean, wait a minute. The WWE World Heavyweight Champion, Triple H. Man that has a prize that all three of those superstars won. The WWE World Heavyweight Championship.